Have you ever wondered why so many traders fail PropFirm challenges? The surprising thing is that most of them don't fail because of a bad strategy. In fact, many traders have a profitable strategy. They have a decent win rate. They have a positive risk-to-reward ratio. And yet, they still fail. Why? Because they never measure their real probability of success. They enter a challenge hoping that things will work out. But hope is not a strategy. Data is. In this video, I'm going to show you how I use PropFirm Edge to evaluate a trading strategy before risking money on a PropFirm challenge. The first step is understanding the challenge rules. Every prop firm has different requirements. Some require a specific profit target. Others have strict daily drawdown limits. And almost all of them have a maximum drawdown rule. These rules matter because a profitable strategy can still fail if the drawdown is too large. Inside PropFirm Edge, we can configure all of these challenge parameters. We can define the starting balance, the profit target, the maximum drawdown, the daily drawdown, and the minimum or maximum trading days. Once the challenge is configured, we can start evaluating our trading performance. If you don't have a trading journal yet, you can use the free mode. In free mode, you simply enter your estimated win rate, your risk-to-reward ratio, and your risk per trade. The application then runs simulations to estimate your probability of passing the challenge. This is already much better than guessing. But the real power comes from using actual trading data. That's where the Pro mode comes in. Instead of estimating your performance, you can import your real trading history. You can upload a CSV file exported from your broker, trading platform, or journal. Once the trades are imported, PropFirm Edge analyzes the actual returns of your strategy. Now, we are no longer working with assumptions. We are working with real data. The application can calculate important metrics such as win rate, average return, and performance consistency. But statistics alone are not enough. The most important feature is Monte Carlo simulation. Monte Carlo simulation takes your trading results and creates thousands of alternative futures. Instead of asking what happened in the past, it asks what could happen in the future. This is extremely important because trading results are never perfectly consistent. The order of wins and losses matters. A strategy that looks excellent over 20 trades may experience a completely different outcome over the next 100 trades. Monte Carlo simulation helps us understand that uncertainty. By running hundreds or even thousands of simulations, PropFirm Edge estimates the probability of reaching the challenge target before violating the drawdown limits. This gives us a much more realistic view of our chances. For example, you might discover that risking 2% per trade generates higher profits, but it may also significantly increase the probability of failing the challenge. On the other hand, a slightly lower risk level might dramatically improve your probability of success. This is why risk management is so important. Many traders focus only on maximizing returns. Professional traders focus on maximizing survival. The goal is not to make the most money possible. The goal is to maximize the probability of passing the challenge. Another useful feature is the trading journal. The journal allows you to track and review every trade. Over time, you can identify your strongest setups and eliminate the weakest ones. You can stop relying on intuition and start making decisions based on evidence. The combination of challenge configuration, journal analysis, CSV imports, and Monte Carlo simulation creates a complete decision-making framework. Instead of guessing, you measure. Instead of hoping, you calculate. Instead of gambling, you optimize. Before spending money on your next PropFirm challenge, ask yourself one question. Do you actually know your probability of passing? If the answer is no, then you're making a decision without enough information. PropFirm Edge was built to solve exactly that problem. It helps traders understand their real risk, their real edge, and their real probability of success. If you found this video useful, consider downloading PropFirm Edge and testing your own trading data. Thank you for watching. Trade smarter, manage risk better, pass faster,